Are you wasting your money on promoting your business using ads? Instead of that, I'm going to tell you the best trick that you can use to promote your business that is going to save up a lot of money. With that, it's the best way to promote because this application that we're going to discuss about is used by majority of the people. So now WhatsApp is on trend. I receive messages from big brands on my WhatsApp related to the sale, related to the products, and many more promoting their businesses. So, why just big brands? Why don't you use the same strategy and promote your business as well? Instead of paying on ads, use the strategy that I will teach you in this video and you can gain more sales as well. So, hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Without wasting any time, I will show you this amazing WhatsApp trick that will help you to promote your business and send promotional WhatsApp messages in bulk. So, without wasting any time, let's move on with this video. Now, this is the kind of WhatsApp message that you will send to bulk customers to promote your business instead of wasting your money on ads. Okay, so now how can you do that? Firstly, you have to start using one amazing software for WhatsApp efficiency, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. You will come to their landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time to test what is Pabbly Chatflow, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits, you can test Pabbly Chatflow and its features. And not just sending bulk messages, there are other features that you can access with Pabbly Chatflow. So go ahead, purchase their yearly or one-time plans so that you can get discounts as well as amazing deals with amazing accessible features if you're going to purchase both of any one of their plans, okay, from both of the options. If you're planning to do so, use my code from the left side of the screen to get instant and amazing discounts. That code is going to get you the most discounts possible and it's for the limited time only. So go ahead, use the code, purchase the plan and automate your business workflows. Now, I have already logged in inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn how you can actually create the setup of your account, what are the features and how all the features works of Pabbly Chatflow, check out all the video links added in the description section below. Now, to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all your customers, you have to first create the template for that particular message that you want to send. Okay, now if you want to learn how you can create the WhatsApp template, I have already created a detailed video on it to design the best template for according to your business. So you can go ahead and check out the video added in the description section. Okay, I have already created the best template possible for my jewelry business in the name of Moon and Metal. So this is the message I want to share to all my customers as a promotion, where I'm promoting the code and the discount that we are offering. Okay, so I've created the template. Now after that, I want to share this template to thousands of customers. How is that possible? For that, you have to go towards the broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow, because using broadcast you can send bulk messages to all the customers. Okay, now after coming to the broadcast page of Pabbly Chatflow, let this page load first. Now, to create a new broadcast, click on this add broadcast button and you will come to the WhatsApp broadcast page. Now you have to select the type of the broadcast. I will select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. You can select the other type according to your requirement. Now for the name of my broadcast, I will write over here as Moon and Metal Sale Message. Now you can enter the name according to your requirement. Now you have to select the contact list. Inside the contact section of your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can segregate and segment your contacts and create different contact lists. And you can select either all the contact lists that you have selected over here inside Pabbly Chatflow, or else you can select the particular contact list according to your requirement. I have created the list in the name of leads list, where I've added all the contacts to whom I want to send this message to. So I've selected that particular list right over here. You can select all the list as well. Now if you want to exclude any specific list, you can select that list from this refine audience section. If you want to exclude a specific contact, you can select it from this section as well accordingly. Okay, now there are two options. Either you can select the pre-approved template that you have created, or else you can select enter the regular message over here, create the message accordingly. I will select the pre-approved template section right over here and enter the template. Now I have created the template in the name of Moon and Metal Message, so I'll select that template from here, and then I have to add in the media. I have added the image header in the message, so I have to add in the media that I want to upload with the message over here in this section itself. So I will upload the media right over here. I have created this media. I'll scroll down. I'll show you. This is the media. I'll insert this media in this message. So this is how the preview of the message is going to look like. This is the media with the text. Okay, I'm going to click on this done button, and automatically after that you will see the preview of the message that you've selected in this section. Now I am sending this message particularly to thousands of customers, so I should check before sending it to all of them. I should check whether the message that is forwarding through Pabbly Chatflow is correct or not. With the help of this testing feature, first enter your name right over here, that's my name, enter your phone number, and then simply you have to test this particular broadcast. Click on this send test button, and as soon as you will do that, it says test broadcast sent. As now the test broadcast is going to be forwarded on my WhatsApp, I will receive this promotional message. You can see that was the first message. I received this new message right over here. So if the message is coming correctly, this is how the broadcast message is going to look like with all your other customers as well. Okay, now after testing the broadcast successfully, now there are another option. You can either send this broadcast instantly, or else you can schedule this broadcast for later. I'm going to schedule this broadcast for later. From here, select the date and time from this calendar section. I want to send this broadcast message on 12th of August 2026 at 12 p.m. Okay, I'm going to do that and then simply add this broadcast from here. As soon as I will do that, the broadcast has been created and it will be forwarded on August 12th, 2026 at 12 p.m. This is the message that is going to be forwarded and it's scheduled right here. As now we have created this broadcast or the particular selected date and time to thousands of customers, a promotional WhatsApp message just like this is going to be forwarded. And if you are creating this broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Chatflow is an official meta provider, so there are high chances your number won't be banned as well. Okay, so this is how you create this amazing trick to promote your business on WhatsApp without wasting the money on ads. So if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, do comment down below. I will reply to all your queries, guys. So this was it for this video from my side. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.